Tired of buying useless gadgets that never work? Watch this. These 25 actually deliver real results, and one of them replaces 3 tools at once. Cook perfect rice anywhere with the Bare Mini Rice Cooker. This portable 1.2L cooker handles 2 cups uncooked rice, features a non-stick BPA-free pot, and a 1-button cook and keep warm function. Compact, easy to use, and ideal for travel or small kitchens. Cook smarter and faster with the Martha Stewart French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, $300. This 34 cutie powerhouse features 12 in 1 cooking modes, letting you bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and air fry with ease. It fits a 12-inch pizza, includes 5 versatile accessories, and delivers crispy, even results with countertop convection technology. Stylish stainless steel in linen white completes your modern kitchen upgrade. Cook perfect rice every time with the Zojirushi NS ZCC 10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. Just $242. Using advanced fuzzy logic technology, it automatically adjusts cooking for flawless texture and taste. With a 5.5 cup capacity and keep warm function, it's ideal for everyday meals with consistent, delicious results. Make perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRM Pite Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it easily creates tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without mess. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and built for convenience. Quick, fun, and perfect for every kitchen. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart Rotating Waffle Maker. Designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Meet the Zojirushi Zudo 5-cup coffee maker. Compact, stylish, and built for great taste every morning. This sleek red brewer features a removable water tank for easy filling, a charcoal water filter for cleaner flavor, and a durable, PFAS-free design you can trust. Perfect for small kitchens, it delivers rich, smooth coffee without the hassle. All for just $90. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet Americana 50s Retro Toaster Oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer. Perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Make cleaning easy anywhere with this 2.98-gallon collapsible dish basin. Designed with a drain plug for quick water release, it's perfect for washing dishes, camping, or outdoor use. Foldable, portable, and space-saving, ideal for kitchens, RVs, and travel. Cook and serve multiple dishes at once with the Amazon Basics Triple Slow Cooker. Featuring 3 2.5-quart pots with ceramic nonstick coating, it offers easy cooking and cleanup. Adjustable temperature controls keep food perfectly warm. Ideal for parties, buffets, and family gatherings. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200 W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Brew cafe quality coffee at home with the Cafe Specialty Grind and Brew Coffee Maker, just $328. Featuring a built-in grinder, single-serve option, and 10-cup thermal carafe, it delivers rich flavor every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity and SCA certification, it brings smart, barista-level brewing right to your kitchen. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. Create crispy, fluffy waffle bowls perfect for fruits, ice cream, or savory fillings. Compact, easy to use, and quick to clean, Make every meal more creative and delicious. Toast smarter with the Consciate 2-Slice Smart Toaster. Featuring a touchscreen, 6 browning levels, and functions for reheat, defrost, and cancel, it delivers perfect toast every time. Extra-wide slots, removable crumb tray, auto pop-up, and anti-jam design make it safe and convenient. Sleek stainless steel meets 925W power for fast, flawless results. Meet the Pato Ozone 310 Vacuum Blender. Blend smoother, richer, nutrient-packed drinks that stay fresh longer without separating. With powerful vacuum technology and an extra storage container, it's perfect for healthy, hassle-free blending every day. Enjoy pure, safe drinking water with the Ageri UV Reverse Osmosis Countertop System. Just $260. Featuring advanced 5-stage RO filtration with UV purification, it removes impurities while saving water with a 5-to-1 efficiency ratio. No plumbing needed and compact in design, it's the perfect hassle-free solution for clean, fresh water at home. Chop and blend anywhere with this rechargeable mini food processor. With a 300 milliliters capacity and sharp stainless steel blades, it easily handles garlic, nuts, onions, meat, and spices. Cordless, compact, and BPA-free, it's perfect for quick prep at home or on the go. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Start your day with the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. Brew coffee, cook on the non-stick griddle, and toast in the 4-slice oven, all at once. With a built-in timer and retro red design, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for quick, delicious mornings. Organize your kitchen with the Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Cook with confidence using the Thermomaven 3000-foot smart wireless meat thermometer. Featuring ultra-long range, 6 precision sensors, and NIST-certified accuracy for perfect results every time. With dual thin probes and a large LCD base, it's ideal for grilling, smoking, and barbecue. Cook healthy, delicious meals with ease using the Bella 2-tier food steamer. Its stackable baskets let you steam multiple foods at once, saving time in the kitchen. The spacious 7.4-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, while the removable base ensures easy cleanup. With built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection, it's safe and reliable every time. All this convenience and versatility for just $39.99. Create fresh, plant-based drinks at home with this nut milk maker machine. With 8 presets and a high-speed blender, it easily makes soy, oat, and almond milk. Featuring auto-clean, delay start, and a 33 ounces capacity. Healthy, convenient, and perfect for dairy-free living. Enjoy hot meals anywhere with this 3.5L 2-layer electric lunchbox, just $36. With 90W fast heating and a 304 stainless steel detachable liner, it warms food quickly and safely. Featuring multi-voltage support for car, truck, home, or office, it's the perfect portable solution for fresh, warm meals on the go. Prep food faster and easier with the Kobach electric food processor meat grinder, just $40. Powered by a pure copper motor and dual-layer blades, it delivers efficient chopping, grinding, and blending. With a 1.9 QT capacity, it's perfect for meat, vegetables, and more, making everyday cooking quick and effortless. Great with precision using the Kyocera 3.5 ceramic grater, just $20. Perfect for ginger, garlic, cheese, citrus, and more, its ultra-sharp ceramic surface delivers fine, effortless results. Non-slip, rust-proof, and dishwasher-safe, it's a compact, durable tool for everyday kitchen prep. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Zojirushi BB HAC10 mini bread maker, just $270. This compact, programmable machine makes perfect 1-pound loaves with customizable settings for dough, cake, and more. Easy to use and space-saving, it delivers bakery-quality results right from your kitchen. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Starblue Double Waffle Bowl Maker. Create delicious Belgian waffle bowls in minutes, perfect for ice cream, fruit, and more. With 1200 W of power and an easy-to-use design, it's a creative kitchen must-have and a perfect gift idea for any occasion. Peel faster and safer with the Mutter 4-piece finger vegetable peeler set. Designed with a comfortable rubber finger grip, it gives you better control while peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for quick everyday kitchen prep. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Kulialai Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Clean your whisk in seconds with the Whisk Wiper, just $20. This clever multipurpose tool wipes away batter and sauces effortlessly, reducing waste and mess. Includes an 11 stainless steel whisk, making it perfect for baking and cooking. A simple, smart gadget and a great gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Bake fresh bread at home with the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Create up to a 2-pound loaf with 3 size options and 19 smart presets, including gluten-free, dough, and jam. With a convenient delay timer, enjoy perfectly baked bread anytime. Easy, customizable, and delicious. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Cook with Color Nesting Bowl set. This 8-piece set includes mixing bowls, a colander, sifter, and measuring cups, all in a space-saving nesting design. Stylish and mint and easy to use, it makes cooking, baking, and organizing simple and efficient. Keep every dish warm and ready with the Lalashi electric food warming mat, just $67. This XXL 36 by 15 foldable mat uses advanced graphene heating with 7 temperature settings for perfect serving control. Ideal for parties and buffets, it's portable, easy to store, and comes with a spoon rest and travel pad for added convenience. Create healthy, delicious meals with the Aurocomb Vegetable Spiralizer. Featuring 4 built-in blades, it easily turns veggies into perfect noodles and spirals. Ideal for zucchini, carrots, and more, it's quick, easy, and perfect for making fresh, low-carb dishes at home. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Meet the 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker machine, your all-in-one solution for fresh, homemade drinks. With a 40-ounce capacity, it effortlessly creates almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, juices, and shakes. Enjoy smart features like auto clean, 24-hour delay, keep warm, and boil water. Perfect for healthy, plant-based living. Peel like a pro with the Kuhn Ricken Original Swiss Peeler 3-pack, just $17. Featuring ultra-sharp carbon steel blades, these lightweight peelers glide through fruits and vegetables with ease. Designed for comfort and precision, this colorful set is a must-have for fast, effortless kitchen prep. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the all-inside 3-in-1 magnetic wrap dispenser. Made from bamboo wood, it neatly stores plastic wrap, foil, and wax paper with built-in cutters for easy use. Magnetic design and 3-layer storage. Perfect for a clean, clutter-free kitchen. Keep your fruits and veggies fresh longer with the TQRR 4-pack silicone food storage set, just $13. These reusable containers are perfect for avocados, apples, onions, and more, sealing in freshness and reducing waste. Flexible, durable, and fridge-friendly, they're a smart, eco-friendly solution for everyday food storage. Keep your fridge neat and organized with the ZagTag egg holder. Just $20. This two-tier stackable drawer stores up to 40 eggs while saving valuable space. Made from clear, durable plastic for easy visibility, it's the perfect solution for safe, tidy, and convenient egg storage.